How to pronounce genre. The word genre is made up of two syllables. It's pronounced genre with the emphasis on the first syllable. Genre, not genre. In the picture, we see an album cover for Bridge Over Troubled Water. The sentence example reads, folk rock is a musical genre which combines elements of folk music and rock music, made popular by such artists as Simon and Garfunkel. Has this video helped you? Hit like now and continually improve your English by subscribing to this channel. Hit the subscribe button now, click the bell icon and choose all to be notified when there are new videos. And build a powerful English vocabulary with my free course on Udemy. Just go to goodenglish.online.